All right, we're back for flight number 2 of today on Saturday, and we're going to be demonstrating something new. We gave Evan just about a 90-second review of what to do, and now he's going to explain back to us. RoboKid, right? We went from Jeffrey to RoboKid. It's a work in progress. Okay, so RoboKid, go ahead, show us what are the steps for full exploration.
So if we want to go to exploration mode, instead of us flying it ourselves, we press this button, and then if we were to do that, we go to the exploration, we press exploration. And then if we want to start it, we press start exploration and then turn on auto. If you don't want to do exploration mode and you want to fly it yourself, you can go back to the camera button and then fly it how we said in the first video. If you want to stop using exploration mode, you can press stop exploration mode. But this video we're going to demonstrate it. Do you guys want me to do exploration mode this time?
Yeah, you guys are going to do exploration mode, and then at one point in time we'll stop exploration mode, and then you go back to the camera view, and then hit land, and then hit come back home, okay?
Okay.
And then if you remember the coming back home, hit the house button, and then the first option, and then from there, once it comes back home, then you hit the land button, okay? Okay, so if you stumble on anything, we'll coach you right through it. But otherwise, the video now is at 90 seconds, and he just explained what we explained to him off camera. Have you ever done this before, Evan?
No.
Have you ever flown exploration mode, full explore, or anything like that?
No.
Okay, first time ever. All right, so go ahead and switch back to the other camera view. Alrighty, go for it.
Do you want me?
Go ahead. You gotta wait until it takes off. Yeah, he hit. It's already exploring completely on its own. The red dot is the path that it chose to go to, and the green dots are paths that it was considering. And then there's a blue line where the vehicle is connecting the dots. And of course, not touching the stick at all. And then the stick, when you use the stick, when you're in the mapper view, you're not piloting, you're moving the map. Evan, move the vehicle. Yeah, there you go. Move the map so we can see it. So now that the sticks are now pan and tilt, let's say, the map. So the aircraft right now is all the way over here. And it's going
to safety mode. It still uses
come closer, Evan, and talk to the camera. No, come closer.
So it also still doesn't run into things, and even though it's on exploration mode.
Yeah.
Because as you can see, when it approached that wall over there, it curved around it.
So it's exploring in there. We're not even looking at the first-person view. Evan, go down so you can see where the aircraft is. So it's coming out. It went in, saw the nook of the garage right there. Everything else is fenced off. And now it's going to go, I think, across. Where's it going to go to now, Evan? It's going to go behind those crates over there. It's going to go behind those crates over there. Yeah. Yep, that's right, Evan. That little location right there is the shadow behind those crates. So then, if it discovered that region in there, right there, there's where the vehicle is. That's a wall. We created a wall with some dry erase boards and stuff. That's all the way over there. And now the vehicle decided, well, it can't go through any of that. So the yellow is the live LiDAR view. And the live LiDAR view updates much faster than the map. And then it changes with the yaw rotation of the aircraft. So as the vehicle yaws to then go forward in flight, the live LiDAR view has to counter yaw to line itself back up in the map. And that's why you're seeing that artifact of them, the yellow, being mismatched on occasion. But that's just the dynamic nature of the dual updates of the vehicle rotating in one direction and then the map having to rotate in the other direction to stay aligned. Or I should say the live LiDAR to stay aligned with the map. So now what's interesting is it's coming back. It thinks it can get into that garage space. Because of the fence, all of the LiDAR rays that went into the fence back there, it thinks it can get in there. But it's actually also walled off. So it's going to explore some more, and then it's going to go all the way to the garage door on the wall there. And then there's going to be a closed door. But right now, it wants to go in there. But it's all fenced out.
It's all the fence out here. So
it's all fencing.
So change the path over there.
It'll change the path, yep.
But then it's all that there's another fence right here.
Yes, and there's another fence, exactly. So now, it's updating to try to see if it goes around it. And then of course when Evan uses the yaw button, the yaw stick right there, it also causes the map to have to update its rotation as well. So Evan, let me see where it's trying to go now. Yeah, right there in that spot. It's right there. And then zoom out a little bit or move. So where's the next location that it wants to go? Pan up. So now it wants to see if it can get into that room because there's a little bit of gap along the far wall of the warehouse, and it shot some rays into that room. Okay, so because it thinks it can go through that door, but it can't. So now it changed. It's gone around those stairs. We put those stairs over there. It's very, very tricky, those stairs. Okay, and now it wants to explore that corner of the warehouse, and now it see that we put a trunk back there, so it can't go that far deep into that alley. And then now where is it trying to go?
It's trying to come back and that's
go down, let's see where it's going, and that's it, it's just going back to the middle?
Now it's trying to
Alright, well, let's switch off to come back home, because now it's really just trying to find all the nooks and crannies of the warehouse. And that's what it looks like over there. See that alley? That alley looks right there, but there's a trunk. We put a big chest so so it can't go any further. All right, it's done. Come back, make it come back home.
Now it's coming back home. As you can see on the camera, nothing didn't touch, and then it can come back.
And then it's coming back home, Evan is saying. So now it's plotting the path. When Evan chose the very first button to come back home, he said greedy path, which means the shortest path from where the drone is to the landing location. However, if he had chose waypoint path, then it would be hitting waypoints had we placed any waypoints on the map, which we didn't on this demonstration. Or he could have unwound the exact path the vehicle took the whole time, which then would be a very long path home, journey home. All right, so here it comes. Evan has done no flying. Evan, you can use the left hand to look around. Left hand? Yep. And then if he touches the left hand, he can actually yaw around. He's doing it gently while the vehicle is coming home. So independently of the vehicle flying on its own, he could have been doing that all along. But we were just demonstrating the vehicle on a map. All right, Evan, go ahead and land it. There it is. Another successful mission there, Evan. How you doing? How you feeling? Good. You just auto-explored the whole warehouse here. And then go ahead and hit the map again. And there it is, the warehouse. Can zoom out a little? Do you know how to zoom out? No, not.
Not really.
On the other stick, other left hand,
Like this.
up and down. No, 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 no. Go down. There you go. No, yep.
And this is the whole warehouse.
That's the whole warehouse. And then on the bottom right there is the wall that we put in right here. So it wouldn't go to that side because I can't videotape really well behind because I want to see Evan's fingers. And then it went around, and then we have fake walls over there, and fake wall, it's an alley back into there that curves. And there you have it, Evslers. Actually, not Evslers. What's your name again?
RoboKid.
All right, RoboKid. High five. Thanks, Andre. Andre's going to be the guy behind.
Yeah.
He's like, behind, just the voice.
Yeah.
All right, bud. Thank you.